Hello YouTube, my name is Jebiran. Yep, yeah, you can laugh whatever you want, but today I will show you how you how to use my program. So I know a lot of you having problems using my program. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will show you here. This is the example. So right here, sorry about that. Okay, so right here at my videos, damn it. This is how you search my YouTube channel. So if you want to subscribe, then go ahead. So basically this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, I also got copyrighted. Even though if you don't know something about the copyrighted system, I mean the rig system on YouTube, so you can go ahead and search here. So it's been around now. Nuts. See? Everyone is complaining. I didn't even use music just for this purpose, to avoid getting copyrighted. Though I don't care anyway, so basically the tip was like, if you want to use music like me, then don't even dare to use a company's music. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Sorry about that. I really waste my time. So right here you download it, and this is the setup file. Ah, crap. I'm using Windows build 1809. So yeah. So right here, if you want to see every single installed program, you have two options, this and this. So the x86 stands for, x86 stands for 32-bit. So to check that, you need control panel, hardware. No, actually, nah, damn it. Press Windows button and the R key, but Windows button first, and then the R key. So like here you can see every every information about your system. So to check that your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit, you go to this. So I think system. Oh, come on. I don't know. Just check on YouTube. So anyway, my installer always install my program to this directory right here. So anyway, I will show you how to use it because it's confusing. So this is the file. It was a zip file. You have to extract it. No software needed. It was already built in on YouTube. So okay, so yeah, I got malware as typical. So right here you have your typical installer. I use script setup. I mean script installer maker. So yeah, so this is it. So here's what you actually do. So it wasn't compatible, so what you do is to change this bit, okay? Locate your browser by, see this is example of a browser. So it have shortcut on it, so you open the file location there. See, easy, copy paste that, and then you go to the source folder. Relax, this will be easy. So this is the tutorial. So edit this, change this here. So to do that, here, not crap. So that's how you do it to make it compatible. So I'm just click the cancel because I already installed it. So here, go to this, go to the core folder and rename this. I mean edit this. Sorry, I was really a bit tired. So man, so here what I'm talking about. I'm using right now Brave. It depends on your browser name. So if it have like spaces on it, then you could name it .exe. This is the location. So anyway, and the result was, well, I'm about to, I forget to tell you that it also includes 32-bit if you go to the software folder, my software folder, which is located at the x86. I don't know why, but this is all I know. It's for 32-bit operating system. So you just basically go to this, okay? Go to the folder. Okay, so here we are. So you have to like manually change it, but it was really easy. Okay, it was really easy. So you have to like edit this 3 bash file. So Windows bash file, always started those. This was uneditable, but if you really interested in bash programming, I will show you how how to make a better GUI. So okay, so next up is my file maker and folder maker, and also Jiden. So basically, what you didn't know that all browser really they don't design to detect older code. So I will show you what I mean. Okay, so here it is, batch file. So it was really old. I still use it. It is the most easiest programming language ever. So if you want to code with it, then I will show you in the next video. The file name extension, if you want to code it, just search it on Windows. There, use the search bar or use the run bar. So use this code to start your program. So this is some additional crap, so like a bonus in the video. So yeah, so this will be the label. CLS stands for clear the screen. Color F, so you can look up in the CMD itself. So this is the color code. You can do combination on it. FC. See, you can set up the color background. So this is the message. Hello world, and go to A. Save as. Put it on desktop. Hello.bat. So run it. Oh, I have a problem. See, it pipes down the message, but if you add clear the screen statement, it will probably it will do the same thing. You can do advanced stuff like starting a program. Like here, I will start my own program, folder maker. So if you are on the different directory, then you have to put the full directory list. So like example, it was located somewhere else, but to run it need like full see. So anyway, nah, crap, are you kidding me? Wait, B. So yeah, so this like I said, you can like do sorts of cool stuff like starting a program. Wait a sec. So what you don't know that the go-to statement is that it actually tells the batch file to repeat the same thing over again. This is the task, okay? Oh, are you kidding me? Maybe a quotation mark. Yeah, it worked, sort of, but yeah, I swear it really worked if you put it on a file. Never mind. It's a waste of time, really. Here, a quick demonstration. You can start up a website, but wait, what? Okay, so there you have it. It can start either a program or a website, and to change the directory of it if you are a batch expert or if you are a beginner. It's the CD was not a short name for compact this, no, but it actually a short name for change directory, which mean that I can change my location. See? It can start basically anything if you name the file extension. See? Just look up on the property. This is the MP4. Wait, some bug. Oh, a quick reminder that a batch file can't start a program that have spaces on it. So this will be troubling. But yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't do that actually. Damn it. So damn it. How many time I wasted? Yeah. So next up, next up is my file maker. So some of you, when opening my file maker like here, no, sorry, it was wrong. Folder maker. So custom directory also need to run it as admin. So how to use this kind of stuff, how to navigate. So it's really simple. You need just you just need to press the number that was already displayed. So if, for example, if you want desktop, then you can choose desktop, but there is no option for returning it, so you have to close it. So, and by the way, don't add spaces on it. You have to make it done, like press enter. See? So if you can't hear me, sorry, I'm almost sleep. So basically that's pretty much it for this video. Also a quick bonus. Oh wait, I almost forgot to show you. Yeah, Windows always does this, run away. I know I didn't put virus on it, so web browser this day didn't recognize my code, because Bash programming language are basically used for DLL, to program a DLL. So a DLL file is like a program assistant. Are you kidding me? So Jaden create a desktop shortcut. So the reason why the reason why damn it. The reason why it detects my Jaden program as a virus, because as you can see here, my program was putting its user login. Yeah. So it always detects Jaden as a virus. Okay, so local temp. Wait, what? So it always detects my Jaden as a virus, because for one, it drops login script, okay, and the login script itself was like only a text file, so you need to run it as administrator. Wait, it can't run on admin. So there is some bug, I don't know. Are you kidding me? Oh, I see. I don't know. So this one is the same. it denies access, but once you run it as admin, ByteFans, really, God, it's annoying. Wait. So whitelist that if you have an antivirus. Really sucks. Oh God. Pretty much it does nothing. It's the same freaking program. This is like the source code I'm using a freaking batch programming language. And what the heck? Change the position of replicator to start shifting. I don't know, it detect as a Trojan dropper, which is really doesn't even make any sense. Just add to whitelist. Nah, crap, are you kidding me? It crashed. There we go. So once you're on administrator mode, you can make your account very easily to prove that I'm not lying right now. Like, where's Jaden? Ah, there it is. Jaden64. So this is the account. This is the name. And this is the password. And it wasn't here. Okay, so let's just mute this sound. Okay, so login, you use the number keys to navigate. Yeah, that's the many limit. So so you can overcome this limit. So the special thing about bash file is that you can emulate, you can put like you can put like, you know, more programming language. But all I know is that it only support the programming language. Sorry about that. The programming language that was made for Windows. I mean, yeah, a Windows version of JavaScript and a Visual Basic script. So what I'm talking about right now is that this Windows. So this is a script environment for Windows. So as you can see here, you can basically make two file, Visual Basic script file and JavaScript file. So this is the console script. It didn't really help because it's a bit hard. So they made PowerShell. To code. Hold on. And all the batch code stuff, the batch command. So the PowerShell the special thing about PowerShell that you didn't know, that you might don't know, is that PowerShell itself was backwards compatible with Bash programming language. So I think Microsoft did that, so the programmer will be, really easy. So that was like the special thing about Bash programming and PowerShell, is that they are like dynamic, really easy to learn. Although PowerShell it's a bit complicated, but it's still really, it's still in the easy zone. So you can also make a graphical user interface, although it's a bit difficult because just like Python, you can't make it visually. So PowerShell dot ISE. So depending on your, it was already available on Windows 7 to Windows 10, but you can also download it. And PowerShell and also CMD and Bash programming isn't going to go anywhere. So if enough with the chit chat, so JP done. What? Oh yeah. So this is the greeting screen. This is like the AI. So this is the fun stuff. It greets you with ASCII text smile. So the limit of Bash file is that they can't display picture. Oh, okay, but you can get around that by wait. Name. It always does that. I don't know why. Search. Yeah, by convert your image into ASCII. So this is the most easiest one, probably trustable. When I say trustable, I mean literally. So choose a file. File. So here I will demonstrate it. $100 and 1000 generate. Wait, I said too much. Oh yeah, I made a mistake. Sorry. Ah, damn it! It lags like crazy. Damn it! My control key stuck. So the special thing about this is that generate. So it resemble as an image. See? That's why I recommend you to choose this. 500 characters. It was a bit slow, I don't know why, but it will convert it to a text. And also a really helpful tool. No. Is an ASCII drawing tool. So ASCII is like the all the stuff that you have on your keyboard. So this is what I'm talking about. See, that is ASCII. I really don't know why my speed was so dreaded. So here it is. You can make lines. Really helpful. You can also copy it, but no matter the size of it, you can basically do like this detailed drawing. So just copy paste that. If you made a mistake, don't worry. Just press Control A and Control C for copying, and Control V for pasting. So it was a bit too large. Fun fact, a batch file cannot emulate every single thing. See, some of it are commands. But to get around this, you just need to make you just have to make a text file. No. Okay, so this is how you made a text file. So this is also considered as a payload technique. So what is a payload? Well, basically payload is like a technique for making a virus. So what payload does is that you insert all your components in your program. So yeah, so you type echo, it usually display message, but it can also be used to other purpose, like here echo hello world. And if you have more lines than one, more lines, then you can use this. But if you have single, then this. So what this does is that it tells your batch file or the command prompt to store this word, every single word that you use. So this is really helpful. You can make any single file. Universal file, Visual Basic Script, JavaScript, anything. But for now, hello.txt. You have to include extension, and you use the type command. Also, it requires it needs you to type the extension too. See this? It can emulate symbol, but you can get around that. So yes, so this is what it does. Open website. So I built it to know who you are. Don't worry, it just display the message. So what really cool thing about this is that you just type the name of the website and you don't have to put link or URL. This is the advancement of batch file. So search website, it will ask you and you click no. I mean, you click yes if you already made it compatible by what I just showed you. This is Jiden 64. This is the folder of the program. So I have trouble of I forgot to resize it. So you can click no to return, and it also can sync. So it's some additional neat feature. So go back, log out. You can retry the intro and exit to Windows, and basically that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all of this crap. You can say that this video is for programming tutorial and for how to use my program. So basically I have an important update, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.